Hello, Sedalia 200. I'm Dr. Todd Fraley, and I am here at Washington Elementary School. Washington is the second oldest school in the district, and this coming year it will celebrate its centennial, 100 years of little happy feet running the hallways. And why I'm talking to you today is because over the next few weeks, up until October, all our district patrons and parents will receive an opportunity from each building to come and tour around, inspect, and offer your feedback as to moving forward how our district could best serve our students and our staff through improving our facilities. As anyone who owns a home knows, every now and then you have to do some updates and you have to do some renovation. And we have 3 buildings that are 100 years old or more, and it's time that the district reinvests in community property. So we welcome you. We ask you to come out and give us your feedback and your opinion, and we will thank you for it.